Don't fuck with these niggas be hoes, these niggas be bitches, they sweet as a rose. Don't fuck with these niggas, they know with this shit. Some shit for some fun, I'm tryna get lit. Since a little young and been trained as a pit. My homies been thugging since them little jizz. Put one in the head, put one in the chest. He said he was with it, put him to the test. She asked for some dick and I give her good sex. Then I leave the bitch and I ask who is next. But back to the thugging and life in the street. If your people dying, you carry some heat. They know that I bang that big PSV. Better move smart cause with me shit ain't sweet. This on the team and your brain gonna leak. Till your homies come out cause they say hide and seek. Till them stop talking if they don't want beef. Roll up the wood and smoke it with some keef. Till them vatos stop talking if they ain't gon' step. He try to step up but we stomp on his neck. But fuck all them niggas and fuck what they said. If that goofy wanted, we'll put him to bed.